Hello YouTube again. Okay, so my friend asked me to how to make a thumbnail. So this is what I do. I go to Google. I just made an Evil Factory video, so it's not really that bad. But let me see. So I remember it was Lumberjack. Okay. So what you gotta do if you don't want to get the image yourself, that is, you go to Google, you get some pictures. So then I think this won't be perfect. You screenshot it, and then you download this app called Pixel Lab, and I'll show you how to do it. It only works on Android though, so that's the only downside. So you just go in here and then get Pixel Lab, text on pictures. It'll instantly search it for you, and you can open it, and it's actually pretty good. So what you want to do is click on the three dots that's over there. Click image size. You click custom, and then you go to YouTube thumbnail, and you press OK. And then you plus the plus sign, and then you go to from gallery. Remember, it has to be from gallery. You choose your image, and then it'll tell you to crop it. So then, you use these dots, and I'm just gonna crop it until here. That should be good. And then you want to stretch it out so that it equals your entire screen. Let me just do that. Alright, so then, you want to go to layers, which is this 2 pages here. Press that. We'll scroll this underneath new text, and then lock it. Because if you don't lock it, bad things are gonna happen. And then, trust me, I know that. Go to styles, press the A, press browse, and then for this one, I'm just going to use this one. And since it is an Evil Factory gameplay, I'm just going to type in Evil Factory, and then done that. And then you can go down, you could press size, you can just size it up so that it could go to screen, but it's a little bit too big. Okay. And then you could go and do some shadows and all of that stuff. But for this one, I'm not gonna do any shadows. And then go to text, and then go again. So you can make the text as big as you want. Since this is 14, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do the same style for that one as well. And then you go to size, and you stretch it out. And then this is basically it for my thumbnail, but yours could like add a lot more stuff to it. Like you could go to your gallery, and you can I'll show you. So you can go to your gallery, and you can like pick all the images from it. It depends on what you want. And then after you're done and you're satisfied with what you have, you press the dot again, and then you'll see the fourth one, export image. You see that? And then make sure this is not JPG. You need to make it PNG. And then you just save it to gallery, and I'll show you how to implement it into your. Okay, let's go. Okay. So then you need, if you want to like put that thumbnail in, you need to download this YouTube Studio. You go in, it'll show you all of your things that they had, and then I don't think the home screen is this. Yeah, the dashboard. And then you press your video, you click the pencil, and then you go edit thumbnail. But be warned, you have to verify your channel first before you do this. I think all of you guys know how to do this. So you click custom thumbnail, and then you click this, your wanted image, and then select it, and then save it. Be sure to save it. If you don't save it, then bad stuff is gonna happen. And that's basically how you make your video. So then if I go in and okay, and then if I go to this, I think it will show. No. Come on. I need you to show. Come on. Stop. Alright. And you go to your channel, and see, it's now already changed. So then that can be fixed if you want to. You could just go back and then change thumbnail. But and also if you wanna add it to the playlist, you could just press this and then you could create a new playlist and then get that one. But for this purpose, I already created like bunches of playlists, and you can see that that one's there. So then you go back, and that's basically how you make that's how you make a thumbnail and post it up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be uploading more videos in the future. I'm sorry if I'm sound a little bit shy, because this is my first time recording my own voice. So bye bye.